In order to add a book that you're reading to your signature or any photo or image that you'd like, I usually start by going to Amazon or to another book area that I can get a picture. I come down here and I use my snippet tool. If you can't find that on your toolbar down here, you'll go to Programs and it will be in All Programs. And you can simply get that and either open it from there or you can drag it over to the side. So I'm going to click New for my new snippet image. I go to the corner, put my left cursor, left click, drag, and then I let it up once it goes to where I want it. I do a right click, copy. I usually have a Word document open, and I'm going to get rid of this one to show you what to do. I right click, paste the image. Now this one is either, it's too large for email but too small for my door. If I want to put it on my door, I just pull it from the corner. But to put it on my email, I'm going to push it so that it's smaller, about a postage size. Right click, copy. I'm going to go ahead and come over here to my email. I'm going to go to File, Options, Mail, Create or modify signatures for messages. Go to Signatures, and I just keep my template like this. You can see that I've already changed it, but if I want to put it beside another book I'm reading, I put the cursor here and right click, paste, or I'm going to click on that and delete it. If I want to replace the book that I have here, I just click so that all of these dots are visible and then paste. Next, I click OK, and then I'll click OK on this, change the settings for messages you create and received, and I click OK one more time, and then the next time I go to create an email, it is there. It's as simple as that. If you need any help, give me a call.